Ladies and gents, how do? On my YPVS 350 restoration project, I have an engine for the bike, which, well, it was in perfectly good running order. Um, but I think it was on the countdown to something going terribly wrong. I decided to pull the engine apart to refresh it, have a look at it, put some new seals in. Didn't really expect to find a lot. I took the left cylinder off as you sat on the bike. Big end's looking good. Anyway, we continue to dismantle the bike and let's have a little look. And here we get the horror stories. Well, let's have a look at the colour of that big end. There we go. And have a look at that one. I'm sure you'll see a considerable difference. This one's been getting quite hot, which means within a short space of time, it would have failed in a very short space of time. Okay, so it's a crank rebuild, possibly a brand new crank. There's a little bit of, let's have a little bit of corrosion on the crank wheels. That's mine. I'm not worried about that. There's been some water in the bottom of there. Not ideal, but we'll, the real issue is, the big end's about to go, isn't it? And as we all know, the inner webs, kingpins are part of the big end pins, part of the inner web. Anyway, there we go. The rest of it is in incredibly good order, which is good because some of these gearboxes have done quite a few miles now and in poor condition. So, relatively minor thing. I thought I could just put a whole new set of seals in, new gaskets, refresh, new paint, and on the top case, of course, and we'd be all right. Anyway, never mind. It's better we do it now. The balls are good. The pistons are good. So I don't think I'm going to change anything there. But obviously here, we've got a little bit of work to do. Anyway, easy come, easy go. Look after yourselves, ladies and gents. And look at my other YouTube stuff, really. I've got quite a few two-stroke projects on the way. Have a look up there. And I'll be back on this again shortly. Right, okay. Take care of one another and be lucky.